dear friends, this is Laboratories YouTube channel. In this video we will look at a sample cue card. Describe a person who solved a problem in a smart way. So let's begin with this cue card. Describe a person who solved a problem in a smart way. You have to cover the following cues during speaking: who this person is, what the problem was, how he or she solved it, and explain why you think he or she did it in a smart way. Let's look at the sample answer for this question. Well, people generally come across several problems in their daily lives, which they solve on their own or with the help of others. Here, I would like to talk about a time when my best friend Mike solved an issue with my bike while we were going somewhere. Last year, due to our ongoing summer vacation, we had some free time. So my three friends, including Mike and I, decided to visit a hill station called Shimla in order to spend some quality time together. After considering all the options, everyone opted to go on bikes instead of cars or public transportation. We began our journey in the early morning so we could reach there on time. On the way to Shimla, suddenly I got astonished when my bike stopped working. I must say, I was unable to figure out the problem with my bike. As Mike has some hands-on experience with repairing bikes, he found the exact issue within a few minutes. He had some tools in his scooter which he used to repair my bike. He cleaned the spark plug and put it back, and he also did a couple of other settings. After doing everything, when he tried to start it, it was working fine. I was amazed to see his technical skills, which helped me to fix my bike's problem. Because of that, we were able to reach our destination on time without wasting our time. So that was a moment when my friend solved my problem in a clever way. So this was the cue card. Now we will look at the sample follow-ups for this cue card. Let's begin. The first question is, do you think children are born smart or do they learn to become smart? I believe some children are smart in terms of qualities as they possess certain innate skills like music, drawing or sports, in which they can do better than others. However, any child can become what he or she likes to be with proper guidance and skills. Next question is, how do children become smart at school? Well, young kids become smart at school through many ways. Firstly, their teachers help them recognize their talents and encourage them to learn skills according to their passion. Then, they become smart by taking part in group studies and activities with their peers because they learn from each other's mistakes. The next question is, why are some people well-rounded and others only good at one thing? I would say some individuals are well-developed because they have enough knowledge and skills related to multiple domains. Due to their learning attitude and life experiences, they have acquired many skills to solve various problems, which have made them well-rounded people. On the other hand, there are people who are experts of one particular field only because they just want to focus on one thing only, instead of doing other things. Next question is, Why does modern society need talent of all kinds? I believe today's society needs people with many types of talents and skills. This is because it's possible for everyone to learn all the skills, so the community requires people with various skills, which would ultimately help to smoothly run the society. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for regular updates. Thank you for being here.